Hey, it's James, Fathers, Rights, and Resources, hashtag how I got custody now. The court system and everybody, when they walk into court, or the bar association when you file a bar complaint, everybody assumes that lawyers act right, act in the best interest of their clients, and advocate for them and do everything right. Well, if that's the case, then how come there's a whole book on ineffective assistance of counsel like this? Check this out. I've had this sitting on the shelf. It was written by a couple of professors of law. This Nancy lady was at the University of Pittsburgh. This guy went to Harvard Law School, and he's a professor. He's published 45 books. Okay, now look at this. Look at all these categories. The standards for ineffective assistance, conflicts of interest. If it's rare for an attorney to commit misconduct, how come there's so many things about things that they can fail to do? It's more likely that they're failing than they're doing stuff right. Effective assistance of counsel at trial, constitutional standards, extrinsic ineffectiveness. So there's all these categories. Counsel recently assaulted allegedly racist, failure to pay counsel. Okay, so then there's this actual ineffectiveness pre-trial. You got all the failure to pursue opportunity to plea bargain. Now they're talking about criminal court, but some of these failure to inform defendant of applicable law. 90% of the people I deal with, their attorneys never told them what the applicable law was in family court. Failure to, I'm just randomly doing this, failure to pursue opportunity to plea bargain. So that's negotiate. Attorneys always want to do that in family law. Failure to consider defendant's competency. Failure to hearing withdrawal plea. So there's all these little categories of different things. Oh, wait, there's a whole other page on that. There's another half page on that. Actual ineffectiveness at trial. Performance, prejudice. There's so many things that an attorney can do wrong. Ineffectiveness of sentencing, ineffectiveness on appeal. And then look, how long is this? This thing's over 600 pages filled with examples of attorneys being ineffective. So if a judge or somebody tells me you're being unreasonable and I'm asking for civil 11 sanctions against the opposing attorney, or I'm making a bar complaint, there's a whole book on this stuff by a Harvard law professor and another professor. That's bullcrap to assume that they did the right thing.